Good day, I am Adelord P. Torda, 20 years old, applying as a junior brand manager in your company. I am a recent graduate of BS International Business from Mapua University, where I honed my skills in brand management and marketing strategies. My education has provided me with a comprehensive understanding of consumer behavior and market analysis. I completed my high school education at St. Bridget College, where I received the Merit Award for Academic Excellence. Following that, I pursued my degree at Mapua University, where I actively participated in various projects that strengthened my analytical and creative marketing skills. In addition to my academic background, I have gained practical experience as a brand manager intern at Icon Language Center. In this role, I develop promotional strategies and manage campaigns aimed at increasing brand awareness. This experience taught me how to effectively engage with diverse audiences and use social media to drive consumer engagement. I am particularly passionate about smart prepaids initiatives to enhance consumer engagement through innovative campaigns. I believe that my creativity and analytical skills will allow me to contribute meaningfully to your team. During my time at Mapua and as a student ambassador, I learned the importance of teamwork and collaboration. I led various projects that required managing cross functional teams and implementing integrated marketing communications, and I am confident in my ability to work closely with different bosses to achieve common goals. I am truly inspired by Smart Communications' commitment to sustainability and diversity. I am eager to contribute to an organization that aligns with my values and passion for marketing. Thank you for considering my application for the Junior Brand Manager position. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can be an asset to your team. You can reach me at +63 947 326 2692 or via email at aptorda@gmail.com.